Welcome back to Factor. In Pakistan, there are 88 commercially operated state-owned enterprises, SOEs, which collectively incurred losses amounting to 730 billion rupees, equivalent to $2.61 billion in the fiscal year 2022, while 50 earned a profit of 560 billion rupees. The World Bank estimates annual losses incurred by Pakistan's 14 state-owned enterprises to be a staggering 458 billion rupees. The 10 most significant loss-making entities, including PIA with losses of 97.5 billion rupees, the National Highways Authority with 168.5 billion rupees, and the Peshawar Electric Supply Company Limited with losses of 102.2 billion rupees, contributed to a total loss of 650.197 billion rupees, equivalent to $2.33 billion. Conversely, the remaining enterprises reported combined losses of 80 billion rupees, equivalent to $286 million during the same fiscal year. Over the years, PIA alone has incurred cumulative losses exceeding 800 billion rupees, equivalent to $2.86 billion. While the total valuation of the airline's assets stands at approximately 160 billion rupees, equivalent to $572 million. Urgent and efficient decisions are necessary to advance the privatization process. Otherwise, these state-owned entities, often called white elephants, will continue to take large bites from the national treasury. See you soon on Factor.